Hello there. Welcome to Learning Excel with Sankana Africa. In this lesson, we'll be learning to do depreciation in Excel. And famously in accounts, we know that there are two types of depreciation calculation, which are the straight line method and the reducing balance method, which is referred to as the depreciating balance method in Excel. So first of all, to calculate the depreciation of a motor vehicle with the details given here, a cost of 12,000, a salvage of 2,000 and a life of 4 years, using the straight line method, we can say equals to SLN. That's the function for straight line. The first variable being the cost, then the next argument salvage, then lastly life for 4 years. Then I can close my parenthesis and hit my enter. As you can see now, the depreciation per period being 2.5, and for 4 periods, that's a 10,000 and a salvage of 2,000 from a cost of 12,000. Then the other method, which is the reducing balance method, referred to as the depreciating balance method in Excel, will be calculated using the function db, depreciating balance, db. Then it asks you for the cost, which is my 12,000, then my salvage of 2.5, of course my life of 5 years, then my period. Since this will be using the technique of discounting factor, our period has to be changing as we move towards the tenure or the life of the asset. So I'll pick my one there, then I can close my parenthesis using also the technique of referencing. Then it means I need to keep on referring to these three values I've picked from the first table here. So I need to lock the raw numbers like this, the F up to see 25 like that. Then now I can copy this down and get the values over the years. Then I can find the sum of the depreciation amounts. There you go. Now you can have a total depreciation of 9,495.23 over the course of 5 years and a salvage of 2.5. So this is how you calculate depreciation using Excel functionalities. Thanks for watching.